everyone, very small but random unboxing time, and I've got some new resin to try. Many of you will know I am trying out all sorts at the moment, and generally I've been quite impressed with the different resins I'm trying. Today I've received, well, I've received it a few days ago. I've just got around to having a look. Some stuff from Just For You online, and they do Apex resin. So we'll get it all out so that we can stop making rustly bag noises. So this is the resin. 2 little bottles. Now, what drew my attention to this was, first of all, I saw another YouTuber using it. I think it was Resin Rebel, was it? I think it was. So thank you for drawing it to my attention. And it's called Apex. It's a British firm, run, I believe, by 2 sisters who have got a bit of an eco thing going on. They're they're on a bit of a mission with sort of trying to make our crafts more eco, it seems, from reading their website, which is something I applaud. So yes, I thought I'd try this. Now, the reason for ordering this particular one, they do deep pour ones and all sorts, but this one apparently does up to 3 centimetres, which I think is quite good for a regular resin. It's also a 1-to-1, which I am absolutely shockingly bad at maths, so anything that's a 1-to-1 by volume I think is a good thing for me to be using. The other thing that's come from there too, a Rebel Glitters Ignition set. Now, they've come in a really nice little box, which I'm about to destroy if I can find my way in, and we'll have a look at each pot. Here we are. I believe all this packaging is recyclable, which is handy. Now, these look nice. That looks like a fabulous flake. White opal flakes. Oh, you know what's coming. We're going to have to try and make opals, aren't I? White opal flakes. This looks like a mega glitter. What's that say? Luxury sparkle. Ooh. That looks lovely. What we got here? Silver ignition dust. Ooh. It looks like it's got a right sparkle in there. This looks like a holographic. White ignition dust. Okay. This is the one that caught my eye. A lot of these probably do a lot more than they look as if they do. You know what it's like. You put it on your mould or whatever, and suddenly it goes ping, and you stick black behind it and it goes crazy. But you can't tell until you do that, really, what it's going to do. Now, this one, I think we can guess what it's going to do. Look, there's a purple and green flip in it. Let's take the top off and have a look. Oh, that's nice. Yes, I'm dying to see what those do. Right, so that's it. It's a very small unboxing. I've had so many lots from Temu. I've stopped doing the videos because one was enough, frankly. And yeah, it just got a bit out of hand. So I just thought I'd show you this one because it's a bit different. Actually, while I'm on the subject though, I've had this come. And this will be my next video once I get all the bees out of the way. So yeah, I have got a bit of a backlog of editing to do. I've got about another 2 or 3 videos. Then I'm going to get mega into crystals. And I had these come, which I intend to try and make a geode out of, so we can have chunky crystal drusies. I've grown some crystals as well, which I'll be making druzy inlays out of. There's the first one. So I'll be showing you how I've done that as well. These are actually grown crystals. These I'm going to try sticking them together, and I think there's lots of things I can do with these. But I'm actually trying to make a chunky druzy that would be very hard to achieve with growing crystals, because bigger crystals are hard to grow. And with those, you know, when you get freebies with your stuff, sometimes I got these, which are little tiny petals. So before I put the bees and that sort of theme to bed, I'm going to do myself a little coaster or something using these. Yeah, so that'll be a bit different. And that'll be my opportunity to try out this new resin. So anyway, that's it. Very quickie today. So watch this space. That's my latest little bit of stash. We'll see what it all does.